This is the GTS MINI. It's a Bluetooth calling, waterproof smartwatch that you can actually swim with. Got a variety of different controls here. You have the built-in calculator that's available directly from swiping down, your brightness and your activities, and of course a music player that will play the music from the watch that's playing on your phone because it has the Bluetooth speaker and microphone built into it. You have a whole variety of different apps displayed here in the app drawer. You've got everything mixed together, your settings, your brightness, your QR code, shutdown. You have heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. You have all of the different activities that you can do combined into one place. A stopwatch that runs continuously in the background. You can activate your assistant to ask questions, and it even has Facebook, Skype, and Twitter built into it as well. Overall, you can switch to watch faces, and there's a variety of really nice ones in here, simply by swiping to the right. And when you come to the left, if you hit it just right, you can get this panel with some basic information on it, including getting into your heart rate, blood pressure area. Now, you could go to those individual apps, or you can take this tab. You notice the three dots here. This is where you can switch between your heart rate, which it does very quickly, your overall blood pressure, but check your numbers against a calibrated instrument, especially for blood pressure. It appears to be a bit low for me. Now today, right now, it's fine, but most of them are a little low. And then blood oxygen, and it's using the green diode rather than the red diode. But it is a very inexpensive smartwatch, so it's getting you basic information. It comes with a rubberized, rather stiff kind of band on it. That's, of course, replaceable if you want to. It is waterproof, so you can sweat all over it if you need to. Very thin. Apple Watch shape, but completely different design on the side. And the button doesn't twirl. It just is a press-on, press-off type of a button. Nonetheless, here it is. It's called the GTS MINI. Check it out.